The semi-open back design combined with large 50mm neodymium drivers produces an impressively wide and detailed soundstage. These headphones are particularly well suited for vocal-centric music, delivering a flat frequency response that brings a remarkable sense of clarity and presence to the listener. With a broad frequency range spanning from 10 Hz to 30,000 Hz, the headphones can reproduce both deep bass tones and crisp high notes with exceptional accuracy. A self-adjusting headband and plush earpads ensure a comfortable fit, making them suitable for extended listening or mixing sessions without causing fatigue. The inclusion of a long, single-sided 2.5-meter cable provides ample freedom of movement and effectively minimizes the annoyance of tangled cords. Their low impedance of 32 ohms and robust construction make them a versatile choice, easily driven by a wide range of audio equipment for both professional studio work and casual listening.